Hit that rev limiter. Yeah. Oh, keep it going. Yeah. Woo. Dang. Better watch out. We just got some competition now. Let's take this to the burnout comp. Oh man, it's bright out today. What's up, guys? Good morning. My name's Trevor. We have Audie here. Oh, you might have seen what we got. Anyhow, today we're going to be fixing up some more lights. Hold on, don't show them the address. More lights on Dora with this awesome package from Amazon. So let's go ahead, toss this puppy up here, turn this camera around, get you guys in the action. Here, we just gave him a knife lesson, and he is going to use that knife to carefully not cut on the car. Not on the car. Hold on. You're cutting on the car. Let's pause. Wait. Hold up a minute. Flip it this way. And then cut. Alright. Just cut right there. There you go. Oh, what is that? Careful, careful.
I'm trying to.
I know, it's not a very good knife. We're going to fix that soon. There we go. At least we can rip it open now. So go ahead and show them how you close your knife.
Yeah.
Yes, bud.
I already broke mine.
What?
How?
There you go. Good job.
Eating it.
Thank you. So let's see what's in this package. We're going to check out this Hot Wheel first. Let me see it. You're supposed to hand it to me, not drop it.
Give me my Hot Wheel.
So inside of here, oh, look at that. We got another package.
Give me my Hot
And another package. Is that it? Is that all that's in there? There's nothing else? Not like $100? Anything cool gonna fall out? Alright, anyhow. Oh, sorry, I forgot the camera's on that side. We have these Nilight off-road LED wiring harnesses. Now, that one should be the same thing. Go ahead and open it. Riley, go ahead and I want you to pull the stuff out of that box for me. Put it on the hood so we can see it. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Audie's working on that other box. So, this is supposed to come with 2 leads. It does. So there's 2. At least I believe it does. Take it out of that bag too. So anyhow, what we're going to be doing with this is we have the top light bar up here hooked up. It works. This one and this one need to be connected. And then this one I need a single one for, which we've got. Hold on a second, bud. And then I have some pods that I'm going to put down here. And then 2 on the back side, I think. I think that's what we're going to do. Not totally sure, but check that kit out. It's got a nice light up button there.
Even look at the blue and the reds.
So I guess we should try and hook these up. And then the best part is well, okay, I can't say this is the best part. I'm going to try, so I totally ran the other wire through here. Obviously, I don't want a whole bunch of wires running through there, so I'm going to find a new way. I am. That's what I'm showing them. God, why does that feel like it's so zoomed in? Anyhow, I want to move this little clip. I may even just cut it out and just patch them wires together, but I need to run more wire, because right now it runs up and over and hangs literally right here, and you can see how bright that is. But my plan is to put the buttons in here in my sunglass holder. I know you can't really see that, but I'm pretty sure I can take this out, punch them through there, and have my buttons right there. I think that'd be a pretty cool spot to do it. And I'm honestly not, I'm not scared to, Dora isn't going anywhere. Dora's never going anywhere. she will eventually become the real cop car. Right?
Yeah.
They tell everybody and everybody's like, hey, look, is Dora a cop car? We're like, not really, but I mean, yeah, she a cop car. We do have mirrors on the way. Oh, I wasn't supposed to tell you guys that. Oh, all right, cut. Get that Jeep. Maybe that'd be your first car. You get a Jeep.
In a Lamborghini.
A Lamborghini.
In a Mustang.
Ew, a Mustang.
Unless if it's a
We aren't a Mustang family. We're a Honda, Chevrolet, Ford family. Your truck? I charged your truck. Oh yeah, let's go show them. All right, it's a little, it's messy. Look, see, we got a Silverado. It's running. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Let's hurry up and get to this install, guys. I hope you enjoy. There we go. I got those two hooked up, and I can get a module to change how the pace of the flash, but honestly not too worried about it. And this is super not finished, but it's to the point where I can go do this parade and use it. As you can tell, totally not gonna leave it like this because I like it to look nice and neat, tucked in. And so we will do that, and then of course I just ran it through here to get it done in time, and that wire isn't even long enough. So that's it. It's another wire install done. We have one more to go, and then the pods, so I guess really 3 more to go. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm gonna put the hood down, put my hat back on, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how many wiring kits you've installed. If you've gotten this far in the video, maybe just put the word Dora for Dora. Show her some love. Down in the comments. Don't forget to give us a like. Now we're out. Peace, guys. Actually, take your flip-flop off. Push your foot on the brake. Put it on D. You gotta push the brake. Put it on, nope, it's on neutral.
Now is it?
Yep, you gotta push on the brake. Gotta push on the brake. There, okay. Now let off a little bit. There you go. Nope, don't turn too sharp.
What?
Ready? Keep going. Nope, let off the brake. Let off the brake. Let off the brake. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yep, keep going. Let off the brake. Go this, straighten it out a little bit. There you go. There you go. Okay, and then crank it again.
That way?
Yep, that way. To the right. To the right. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, hold on. Straighten this way. And then crank it back to the right. Crank it, crank it, crank it. Crank it, crank it. Brake, 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 brake. Put it in park. Look what you about did. Look at that. You about went off road, boy.
I couldn't see.